amigos y amigas, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie and welcome. For today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna set up a little backdrop for my daughter's 20th birthday. I'm just gonna try to vlog and film as much as I can. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start right here. And I'm gonna put the backdrop and I'm gonna start picking up all this area because we have a disaster over here and we have a mess over there. I took a mini break because I was moving that table from right there, as you guys saw, and when I was putting it down, I put the table down and one of the legs of the table kind of, well, it was my fault because I kind of put the table on my toe, but yeah, I caught my toe. As I don't have my nails done or anything, but that's how it looks right now. Oh gosh, my toes are actually really funny looking, so I wasn't sure I wanted to share that with you guys, but I mean, since I was vlogging, I guess I'll let you guys know. I'm just gonna go ahead and ice it. I took an ibuprofen really quick just for the swelling because it swelled up like really fast. But yeah, that's what happens when you're moving stuff around. Sometimes you have accidents, but we're just gonna keep going, guys, and I hope that the swelling goes down and that it's not broken, because I don't want my toe to be broken for the party, because it is a cowboy themed party and I want to wear boots. But I'll keep you guys updated on that. But for now, we're gonna continue cleaning the patio and fixing up right here. First, guys, I'm gonna set up my backdrop stand, and I always show you guys, I always use these. These are nice and sturdy, so even if there's wind during the party, they don't fall down. And I got these on Amazon. So I'm gonna go get my backdrop and then I'm gonna put it up and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Oh my gosh, guys, I am sweating. It is literally like 100 degrees out here, but I have to make this a little bit bigger because it ended up being wider than I thought. So I'm gonna add another of the little poles that goes on the top to make it a little bit longer. That should be enough for the width. So the height is perfect, but I do need to add that piece if I want it to show the whole backdrop. Okay guys, so after a broken toe and lots of sweat, I finally put up the backdrop, but now I'm gonna start decorating it. I never really have a plan. I kind of have an idea of what I want it to look like, so I'm just gonna start using stuff that I used in previous parties, that I have in my closet, the stuff that I bought on Amazon, on Hobby Lobby. First, I did find this hay, and this was from a previous party, so I'm gonna use them today. And then I found these little lights. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, but they're super cute, so I'm gonna probably add them to the front of the barn as well. And then I did buy these that I showed you guys in my previous video when I did the haul of all the stuff that I bought, so I'm gonna use those. And I do have a few other stuff just hanging out over here in this mess, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna use. I might use one of those little benches or chairs and literally just decorating as I go, and then I'm gonna see how it turns out. Oh yeah guys, and the reason why I look like this is because I've been cleaning inside all day as well. I've been doing so many things, don't even have time to comb my hair, as you guys can see, and so don't mind my hair, my face, no makeup. But yeah guys, so let's get this going. Full of flowers and a lot of greenery from previous parties, so I think I'm gonna use some of this stuff. I also found these guys. I have used these for so many different parties, and I think I'm gonna add them to the side of my barn. And also guys, so it could look like a birthday, I'm gonna add this little banner that I also used on my last birthday party. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done with my little backdrop over here. I think it's coming out super cute. I'm actually waiting for one more thing. I ordered a horse, like a cutout, life-size horse from Amazon. It's supposed to be arriving any minute, so I'm waiting for that, and that's gonna just make it look a little bit like a cowgirl theme backdrop. In the meantime, while I wait for the little horse, let me show you guys. I have been using this welcome sign for my previous parties, so I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it, and I'm just gonna add this little wheel right here so it could look a little more Western. And then I'm gonna add the little flowers so it could match my backdrop over there. And just like that, guys, you have a cute little sitting area. Just by adding that little wheel, it gave it the little Western feel. I like it so much. I think I hear my ring go off. So we're gonna go check if my packet has arrived so we could add it to the backdrop. Yes, guys, it's here. So this is the beautiful horse, guys. It almost looks like a unicorn, but it's not a unicorn. I don't know if I want to put it against the barn. I'm gonna try it, but if not, I could always set it up somewhere else. So I'm trying to figure out where to place it, because with the plants and the bench, it's so pretty, but I feel like it's a bit much, all of it. And I wish the horse was facing the other way so I could put him on this side. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and switch the plants around and see if that works. Well, the lighting is super bad out here, guys, and I also forgot to tell you guys I did add little lights around, and I can't decide where to put the horse, so I'm gonna go turn on all my patio lights up there and then all around my fence. I don't know, I feel like it's a bit much, and but we'll see right now. My backyard, guys, it's still super messy. We have to clean it up, so don't mind the mess, but we did put lights all around. So all this and all that, everywhere has lights. And I'm gonna go turn on the other patio lights. Those lights really quick. Okay, guys, so I turned on all my patio lights, and this is how I have it right now. I'm not too sure about the horse. I might end up moving it, guys. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm gonna get Brandon to take some pictures, and then we'll see how they look. And then we'll go from there, because I think it's a little bit too much stuff. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Should I leave it like this, or should I change it? What are you guys thinking? The horse is giving me unicorn vibes, so I'm not sure about the horse. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys like it. And you guys can stay tuned to watch me put the chandeliers up here. Hopefully I don't fall off of this roof and break another toe. Oh yeah, guys, update on the toe. I think it's okay. It's not hurting me. I'm able to walk. Oh, I think it's gonna be fine. So Kayla just got here, so she's gonna help me so that we can put up the chandeliers and stuff. But we decided that the horse does look a little bit too much like a unicorn.
I look like a unicorn.
We decided not to put it on the little barn area. So update, guys, we're just gonna leave it like this. I think it does look cuter. It's more age appropriate. So we're gonna go ahead and put the horsey. We're probably gonna put it in the entrance, just like a welcome sign. Oh, he don't want to be here either. I really like it. It's super cute. And if you're having like a Western themed birthday, maybe for like a smaller kid, I think that it goes. Guys, that is it for today. I am gonna go ahead and hang some chandeliers up here in the ceiling to dress up the ceiling a little bit, because I have some chandeliers from the previous party that I haven't used. So I think it's a good time to use them and decorate. It will help decorate this area a little bit more, so you guys can stay tuned and watch that. But I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy. I hope that you guys are able to get some ideas, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.